What's up everyone? So today I am putting CTS Turbo ignition coils on the Mini. I will put a part number down below. I'll put a link down there as well so you guys can see exactly where you need to go to get them, because they aren't actually listed specifically for the Mini. It does say compatible with R5X, so R58, 56, 58, whatever. But they aren't specifically listed on their website, but they actually do work. I don't have my normal camera mount with me today, so that's gonna be a little strange for recording. Hopefully I can set it up that it works okay. You guys can see what I'm doing. I do have my puppy out here with me today because I don't trust her to be inside alone. So she's gonna be out here with us. Hopefully she's good. So the angle's not really ideal, but you guys can see the top of the coils, so we'll make it work. So this is the ignition coils here. Part number right there. We'll get these out of the box and show you guys how to replace them. So you can see on the top here it does have this little latch. So what you're going to do on these factory ones is just pull up on that, and it is actually going to push the connector out of here. So we'll get that pulled out of there so we can get this CTS Turbo one mounted on. As we're putting all these new coils on, we are going to use some dielectric grease. We are going to use just a tiny amount, about a pea size. Just put it in the end of here, and that's going to help with any corrosion or arcing. It'll also help when you go to service it and you're actually pulling them back out again. It'll help release off of that spark plug. On this last one, I do want to give you guys a close-up look so you can kind of see how everything goes. So you do just pull up on that tab, and now your connector is no longer connected. Pull up on the coil. You might have to twist a little just to get it to come loose. And then grab your new coil. A little harder to do with one hand, but we'll get it done. Get it seated down in there. Get your connector back on there, and you will know when this is properly seated because you'll get a nice positive click to let you know that that is locked in. Just over there eating grass. So it's an incredibly quick and easy modification you guys can do yourself, even if you're just doing it for maintenance purposes, that you just needed new coils. It's a cheap and easy way to upgrade and to get nice strong spark. So as you are upgrading further and you get more boost, you need a nice strong spark. So you need to make sure you've got a nice strong healthy coil to make sure you've got a really good clean spark. Hopefully you guys have been watching all of the CTS Turbo parts that I've been installing. I've really been enjoying putting all of these on here, and it's made a really nice difference, both the sound and to the feel of the vehicle. I will be doing a review on all of the parts very soon, so hopefully you guys keep an eye out for that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys very soon.